Hey guys, we are back again with another video, and this time it is Mariana Conte serving Malta official music video from Eurovision 2025, which is really exciting. So let's get going with the video. And I'm really excited because all of the songs, honestly, all of the songs are so powerful and so, there is so much
creativity
going on that I love it.
I love this
Based on true
Eurovision.
events.
Rumor has it.
Who is Malta?
By the looks of it,
Malta
she
is
needs
a
the double
country, I
control.
think.
No, I think Malta is a drug.
What? It's a country named Malta.
Serving brunch, maybe? I don't know. Looks like trash.
I can't believe the diva was down for a couple of minutes.
Wow, drag
She's
queens.
an icon.
Yeah, I love
She's a
them.
legend.
Yeah,
She
me
is the
too.
moment. Now come on now.
I heard she got wasted at the after party and that's why she crashed her car.
People raging over it.
Malta's entry.
You do you, Malta.
Okay,
Oh,
Malta
she's
is
Malta.
Malta. Okay.
Sorry, yeah, I was kind of right. She is a drug. You can get high on her.
Yeah.
Seriously, man.
In a good way.
In a good way, obviously.
No. Wow, I like her swag though.
And
She's
also,
doing
I
that.
like her confidence. I like that. And
Yeah, me
honestly,
too.
doing this,
Doing
this
that
shit,
and then this.
like this shit
This
is so much
slaying,
fun.
man.
Slay,
She's
girl.
slaying.
Slay. It's so amazing. I love this way.
Yeah.
Like, when you say, ooh, I love this look. I love this look. I
She
love
looks
this.
gorgeous.
She looks fabulous.
Yeah.
Amazing. Drop dead gorgeous.
Ooh.
Shut up, Enemies.
Ooh.
Queen energy. Yeah, queen.
is
You
so
are
good.
queen. This is queen energy.
Queen.
Hire me.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I love that.
This is so good. This song is entertaining.
Yeah, it
man.
is. It is so much fun.
Love it. Time of a life.
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Serving. Oh, what a
this
big
is really
drop.
nice. I love it. I love this song.
Guys, the
This
beat
is
drop is
giving.
so good.
This is giving. This is giving.
Yeah,
Man.
love this. Wow,
Ooh.
so good.
Love it. Ooh. Ooh. Those are Coke cans.
What?
Those are Coke cans on her head as
This
palms.
is so creative,
This
man.
is wow,
Love
those are
this.
Coke cans, man. I feel like this is really those 5-minute craft videos where they use anything and everything and then say this is 5 minutes. You can do it in 5 minutes. It's like really no, you cannot do it in 5 minutes. But yeah,
But she's doing
And
it so
also
good.
looking
It's more like she's doing some kind of. It's a dinner, I guess, or something.
and honestly, looking at those foods, I'm hungry.
It's all fast foods.
That's why. That's why I'm
Spaghetti
hungry
and all,
more.
you know?
That's why I'm more hungry.
And also the candlelight pops out.
Yeah.
Love this. She's blinking.
This honestly, this whole getup is just slaying. I
Yeah.
love this getup. This is so pastel. This
Retro.
yeah, this is so pastel. This
Not
is
really
so
classy.
This is also classy. You know
Yeah.
those pearl necklaces are classy.
I know.
Pearls are the classic ones.
I know.
Yeah, and I love her bangs.
It's more expensive than the Gryvon one. I know. I think
Yeah, what?
it's more expensive
No,
than
not
that.
really.
Not really. Okay.
Because why diamond is
But
expensive?
diamond-
You know, diamond is much more available to James. out
I
of
know.
all the gemstones.
I know.
And also you can
make
get it-
diamond, but
yeah,
you can
make
not
diamond.
make pearls.
Yeah, but the diamond market make it seem like diamond is really
I know.
expensive, and it is a
it's a fact. Actually, it's
it
actual
is-
fact.
It is factual. Like when the first diamond was found, they got to know that diamonds
Yeah.
are easily available and it can be grown anywhere, and it can be lab grown very easily.
Yeah.
So they just said that let not know the people, and
Yeah.
they were like, okay, let's market it like this is very expensive thing to,
Yeah.
and this is also very nice to give to your partner when you are
Yeah,
proposing or something as a token of love or something, so
Yeah.
that it gets the market. And when it got the market, and now diamond is expensive, but it isn't supposed to be this expensive. There
I
are
know.
several other stones such as sapphire, onyx, other type of gems
It's
which
in-
are really like royal kind of gems. You will
Yeah.
see a lot of bands and everything, like those are the things. Those are really very expensive gems, and like leaf gems just come to metal. Even if you think about gold
Yeah.
is supposed to be much more expensive than diamond, because you cannot create gold.
Yeah.
Gold is very limited. Like
Yeah, I
the
know.
gold we have is the gold we have. We
I
cannot make gold in lab or something like that. You have to crash another planet on our planet, then you can get gold. Yeah, that's true. It is
That's
true.
true.
Gold is much more
Expensive. thing.
expensive. Like in like technically speaking, gold is supposed to be much more expensive than diamond.
Diamond.
Is not supposed to be that.
They're marketing diamond so.
They marketed,
That's why.
the marketing genius
Yeah.
did all of the things, and still now we believe that diamond is expensive. Diamond is not that expensive.
Yeah.
Diamond shouldn't be that expensive, to be exact.
Yeah.
What we are doing, man.
What a
Oh, that's trash bags.
But
Man.
she's using it so good.
Slay girl.
This is so good.
Oh my god,
What
I
a
am
look.
remembering that movie. Cruella,
Yeah,
right. Cruella. In that movie, she wore plastic bags.
She's also
and-
fashion designer.
Yeah, she was a
Employed as
fashion.
designer.
Yeah. and
Later
then-
on, she's got also this power and all.
yeah. No, she didn't got any power.
Any power?
No.
It's a different movie, I think.
no, it is the same that you're talking about. Maybe you forgot because
It's the same movie, animated movie on 100 Dimension.
no.
Dalmatian, sorry.
Yeah, no, that's
That's
maybe
a Cruella.
Yeah, Cruella. Another movie came out as Cruella.
I know.
Yeah.
But it's the classic one.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
talking
yeah.
about.
Yeah.
There are the puppies with
there are
black dot
Yeah, Dalmatians are included in the movie as well.
in the ending part.
Yeah,
Okay.
she didn't got
Oh,
any power.
how Okay, it's not about magical power or
No,
anything.
she didn't got any power.
She got
just
regemed.
No, she just got those parachutes, and when she jumped, she got
Okay.
saved. Yeah.
I didn't watch the movie actually. I
He
saw
didn't.
short
Yeah.
clips from Facebook.
She
and-
was a fashion genius, honestly.
I know,
And
I
that's why she did all of those things to prove to everyone that the mother of, like, Cruella's mother was the actual fashion designer, and
Okay.
then that woman stole all of the idea with the Dalmatians, and the Dalmatians, like, Cruella took those Dalmatians in, and
Okay.
then it's a whole another story.
Let's play.
But yeah, it remembering me of that dress
Okay,
that Cruella
guys,
made.
we have to watch the video.
Oh. I do it all the time. Yeah, I do it all the time. See, ooh.
What a song, guys.
Ooh, love those twerks.
Yeah.
Love those twerks. Oh, grave. Secret you should know. Oh, what? Afterlife party.
Yeah. So good. It feels nice.
Not
this video.
after party, it's after
After
life
life
party.
party.
It's different, guys.
Yeah.
If male ghost used to look that good, I promise I would be in the grave every day. Do it all the time.
Wow. What a song, guys. It's about passion, romance, and all, and graceful vibe. Wow. So good. What a song,
love
guys.
this.
It's a bold move from
Yeah.
Malta. Love this.
I love this, and also another thing I love,
Yeah.
you know,
What?
is her confidence. I want to
Yeah.
have that.
She's
I-
got real good vibe.
Like
you know?
that confidence, man. Seriously, loved it.
Love it.
Thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, to like, to share, and also to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos on this channel. Until then, bye bye.